Here at WinWire, we put people first, believing that safety is more than just rules. It's at the core of everything we do. It's about making a space where everyone is safe, respected, and appreciated. So what makes WinWire a safe place to work? Let's explore and find out together.
At WinWire, we believe in creating a workplace where everyone feels safe and respected. That's why we are committed to our POSH initiatives. Awareness is key for us. Safety talk isn't just once a year, it's all the time. With short plays, workshops, floor huddles, and trainings, we keep the safety conversation going always. But it's not just about rules and policies. It's about building a culture of support and respect where everyone watches out for each other.
Our goal is to create a culture where everyone is respected, appreciated, and motivated to bring their best selves to work every day. Because when you're safe, you can focus on what really matters, making an impact.